This is a full color TPU paint protection film, meaning it has the same 7.5 mil depth that you would expect out of a traditional clear bra. However, now there's color inside of those layers. It's not just laminated vinyl wrap or just thicker vinyl wrap. It's actual polyurethane film, just like clear PPF. And the best part about this film is that you can install it either dry or wet. Yes, you heard that right. You can literally install this dry if you want to, or you can install this wet. ARMR offers 74 unique colors to choose from in either gloss or matte. Now let's talk benefits. So, just like PPF, you're gonna see more resistance to scratches, swirls, stains, rock chips, chemicals, and stuff like that. And as you can see here, the finish is super glossy and the color is nice and deep. It comes with a 5-year warranty and a lifespan of between 7 to 10 years.